When you're ready to make a trade, there are a few pieces of information that you'll want to look at. Here we are on the trading page. Let's take a look at what each of these columns means. The player column shows all the players currently on the market. These are the players that are available to be bought and sold. The next column over is the buy orders. These are the best available prices to currently buy each stock for. This buy order is set by another trader who owns shares of that player, and this price indicates what they are willing to sell those shares for. The number in parentheses is the number of shares available for purchase at this price. The sell orders column is similar to the buy orders, except the sell orders is the price that another trader is currently willing to buy the shares for. Think of these two columns as a negotiation. The buy price is what the shareholder is trying to sell the stock for, most likely to make a profit, while the sell price is what a trader is hoping to pay to get the shares, most likely to pay a discount. Before you buy or sell shares, you need to understand what the final two columns mean, because these columns indicate the value of the stocks, or in simpler terms, what each share is worth. The current value column displays what a share of a player's stock is worth as compared to the rest of the market. This value moves up or down during the season based on the player's performance. This value is calculated based on the player's fantasy points as compared to the rest of the market. Players who are playing better than the rest of the market will see an increase in value, and those who are performing worse will see their value decrease. The number in parentheses is the current fantasy points a player has accumulated on the season. The final column is the projected value. This column displays the projected end-of-season values for all players on the market. These projections should be used as a guide to help traders during the season have a better sense of what a player's performance will be at the end of the season. These values are calculated by projecting the total final fantasy points of each player as compared to the rest of the market. These values are helpful for the traders to see where a player is projected to finish in the market when the season is over. These projected values are updated after each week's slate of games have been completed. The two values are ultimately what drives the buy-sell prices. When the season is over and the market is closed down, each trader who owns a share of that player's stock is paid out based on the current value of that stock. So when you are buying and selling shares on the market, you want to keep these values in mind as a guide for how much you should be buying and selling for. If you buy stock for more than it's currently projected to be worth, then your account balance will go down because you have paid more for the shares than they're expected to be worth. However, it might still be a good idea to pay above the projected value of a stock if you think that stock's value will go up in the long run, because then you will have made a profit. It's very important to think of trading these stocks as a negotiation. All trades are between two traders. Those who are selling shares are looking to sell at a higher price to make a profit. Traders who are buying shares are looking to pay at a discounted price to make a profit. How you handle these transactions will determine whether or not you make money.